What's the meaning of bus pass? Bus pass. Bus pass.
Bus pass. Bus pass. A bus pass is a type of ticket or card that allows the holder to travel on buses within a particular area, often for a set period of time. It is usually purchased in advance and offers a discounted rate compared to buying individual tickets. The use of a bus pass can be convenient for regular commuters who rely on public transportation as it eliminates the need to constantly purchase new tickets. Additionally, some bus passes may offer additional benefits such as discounts at local businesses. Overall, a bus pass provides an easy and cost-effective way to travel on buses within a defined area.